everybody. My name's Megan. I work at the Wooddale Library. Together with the Bensenville Library, we're partnering to present the Recovery Project 2020, which is designed to help job seekers find jobs and get new skills during this difficult time. And today I'll be talking about the Cypress Resume Builder. It's an application that's going to help you design a quality, professional-looking resume in just 3 steps, and it's designed for the non-writer as well as people with more advanced skills so that everyone has the tools that they need to create a professional-looking resume. So I'll show you how to do that today, and let's get started. Okay, so first thing that you would like to do is go to the wooddalelibrary.org website. That's our website. And then you'll go to the home screen here, and then under home, you'll see e-services. Drop down from that, go to e-resources, and then from there you will see all of our e-resources. You'll have to scroll down to go to the Cypress Resume application, and from there you're going to want to put in your library barcode. That's the library card number on your library card without any spaces. After that, you'll put in your PIN number, and that's the last 4 digits of the library card number. If you have a problem signing in, please give us a call or come in and we will help you figure that out. If you're signed in with your library card number, you will be taken to the home screen of the Cypress Resume website. And from there, you will see that there's a couple different things you can do from here. You can get started right away creating your resume and click the Go button to do that. You could start on a cover letter or reference sheet instead, or you can manage your profile by creating a profile. And I would recommend doing this right away. Once you have a profile, you can save your documents and you can save your work. So if you don't have a chunk of time to do your resume all at once, you can do it and save it. And then you can save your finished resume to go back to later, and you can make other versions if you're applying for different positions. So you can save all of those in one place. So the way to do that is just to click on the login, and here you can either create a profile with an email and a password, and then just simply click create, or if you already have a profile, from now on you would log in with your email and password. You've created your profile, then you're ready to start. The first thing you want to do is go to the home screen again and start with create your resume. So we're going to get started with step 1 and click on go. And then once you do that, you'll see that the document screen has 2 different resume documents that you can choose from. So the strictly business style and then the editor's choice style. The strictly business is a little more traditional in the way it's presented, and then the editor's choice is a little more modern. I tend to go with the editor's choice. So you can just click on that choice and we can get started. You can see that the main form that they ask you to fill out is pretty simple. It's going to ask for your basic information to start, and you can see that this is not like creating a traditional resume where you have to start with a blank page. This really is just filling in some basic information to get you started on the right track. So first, you're going to fill in your name, first and last name, and then you are going to fill in your contact information. You really should enter as much as you can. Definitely will need an email address in there. I would recommend having a professional email address with your first and last name, and using a Gmail account would be the best. And then fill in as much as you can, and then you can move on to the next section. Next page is going to showcase your employment history, so you have to fill out everything about your previous job positions. This woman, Susan Smith, is applying for a administrative assistant position. So her background is in receptionist administrative work. So she filled everything in. If you're currently employed there, you can just click on that, and you can put in 3 here on the main screen. If you have more work and history information to enter, just click on that and we can move on to the next screen. Screen is where you're going to put in your educational history. It'll give you the option to put in your high school and then any college or university that you attended. And you can also indicate that you graduated with honors if that's the case, and then you can move on to the next screen. Section is for any special certification or training you've received, and I would definitely include that if you have anything to enter here. We've reached step 2, which is the next step in the process where we're going to add information about the job title that we're searching for. So it gives you a way to find the job title that you're looking for via a quick search. You could browse by industry type, or you could browse by job title. So it would be helpful to maybe check that out sometime to see what they have to offer. If you know what you are looking for, though, you can just type it in here in the quick search. So we know that we are looking for an administrative assistant position, so we can just click that and see what they come up with. And here they will give you some review descriptions of the job title that you have, and they'll bring up many different really tailored position titles and descriptions of skills for you. And you can read through those and see which ones really coincide with what you do in your job and what you're looking for. So for us, we're going to select this first job that's going to really match up with our skill set that we have and the skill set that we're looking for in our new position. And then from here, we can choose statements that are going to be our professional profile statements. These are going to be front and center on your resume. So I would really suggest reading through these and making sure they're things that you feel like they are accurate and true. And if you do think that they're things that you want to use, you can just click on those statements. And you can you look at for more, and you can also add custom statements that are more tailored to what you specifically do. So if you keep going through these to see what you would like to include on your resume, here there's skills and abilities. You can choose some adjectives here to liven it up a bit. And then once you feel like you are settled with your skills and abilities, you can go on and move ahead to the next section. You are done. You have your finished resume, and it will be here in your documents. You can click on your document name to view it. There you can see everything that we put into that resume have come out to a very professional looking resume here that you can look at. And then you can also go back and edit any information that you think isn't quite what you wanted. You can go back and edit that for a finished resume, and then you can delete it if you don't really like how it turned out. And you can create as many resumes here as you want, and they'll be saved here under your document name. And also you can download it in a different file formats here. There's a word processor, a plain text, and a PDF. So you can download that and save it to your file. Then you can have it with you and apply for different jobs. Questions at all about this process, please give us a call at the Wooddale Library at 630-766-6762, or you can call the Bensenville Library at 630-766-4642, or stop into either location to get some help. Thank you for listening today. I wish you luck with your job search. Bye.